In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in London. If you've received a penalty charge notice, often called a PCN, the quickest and easiest way to sort it is online. And I'll walk you through exactly what to expect so you can pay confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the correct official website. Always use the exact web address printed on your ticket. For charges issued by Transport for London, like the congestion charge, ULEZ, or certain bus lane offences, you'll typically be directed to tfl.gov.uk. For parking or moving traffic tickets issued by a London borough, the link will point to that council's payment portal. To stay safe, avoid search engine ads and copycat pages. Check for HTTPS and familiar government or TFL domains before entering any details. Once you're on the right portal, enter the information from your ticket. You'll need the PCN number, sometimes called the notice or ticket number, and your vehicle registration exactly as it appears on your number plate. Take a moment to double check accuracy. Mixing up the letter O and the number 0 is a common error. Submitting these details lets the system locate your case so you can proceed. Before you pay, review what appears on screen. Confirm the violation type, such as parking, bus lane, or ULEZ, as well as the date, location, and the fine amount. Many portals also provide photo or video evidence, which is helpful to verify that the ticket relates to your vehicle and situation. If you're thinking of challenging the ticket, don't pay. Payment is usually treated as acceptance. Instead, follow the instructions on the notice for representations within the stated timeframe. If you plan to settle, note that many tickets offer a reduced amount if paid by a specific deadline, so it's worth checking those dates. When you're ready to continue, select Pay Now. Enter your debit or credit card details on the secure payment page. Most councils and TFL accept major cards. Make sure your billing address matches your card to avoid declines, and don't refresh the page while the transaction is processing. If your bank prompts for additional verification, complete that step to finalize the payment. Afterwards, wait for the confirmation screen. Download the receipt or take a clear screenshot showing the date, time, amount, and reference number. Some portals also send an email confirmation, but it's smart to save your own copy immediately. Keep this proof of payment and allow a short time for the system to update your balance. And that's it. Use the official link on your ticket, enter your PCN and registration, review the details and evidence, pay securely, and save your confirmation.